Hello everyone, my name is Manharshi Jadeja. So today in this video I am going to talk about the image view. So in this video mainly I will give the answer of the two questions. First is what is image view, and second is how we can use it in Android application. So first, what is image view? Basically we can say that it is a control to display any images in our Android application. Whenever if we want to display any images in our application, at that time we have to use this image view. Now how we can use it in our Android application? So for that I will demonstrate you. So here I have already created one project, image view example. So here in activity main.xml we can implement the image view. So before that there are the main two methods. One is from in a common, we can directly drag and drop the image view. Otherwise if we want to write the code for image view, we can write here. So in this video I am going to explain using the drag and drop method. So before the drag and drop image view, first I will choose the image that I want to paste here. So here is my image US election update. So first I will copy that and then it paste into the resources. For under the resources I will paste in the drawable. So after this pasting this in a drawable folder, it will show the one pop-up that if I want to change the name of the file. So I am changing sample. So now I will drag and drop this image view. So after the drag and drop, there is one will pop-up will come that pick a resource. So here you can see that the three images and the same images you can see in the drawable folder. So I am choosing the sample image that I paste in that folder. Now to adjust the constraint, I can select and change the position of that. Otherwise if I want to do using the controls, and there is one control scale. So here you can see the scale type. So here I can choose whatever what I want to choose, that fit start fit end. You can see the change in the is there. So after the choosing fixie, so the enter constraint, so it will directly give the constraint to the image. So here you can see. So now, so we have applied successfully image view. Now due to some less features in my laptop, I am not able to run in a virtual machine. So I will running this application using the USB debugging. So now you can see the output. So now I will show the image that output I'll get in my application that I'll run using the USB debugging. Here is the output, you can see. So this is the output that I get in my mobile phone. So this is the all about the image view. If you want to know the any other control about the image view, you can practice it at your home and you can learn more about that. Thank you.